Alright, Junior's about to eat a habanero chili for $50. Alright.
Ready, set, go. So once you chew it, you can't drink or eat anything for a whole
Until you
minute.
finish it. Okay, go. Chew it.
Chew it. It has to be completely chewed. Chew, you have to chew it all. Open it.
Hot.
Chew it.
Chew it good.
Try the water.
Chew it. Chew it. Don't swallow it. Chew it. Keep chewing it. Don't swallow it. Don't swallow.
Many water.
Nope. Keep swallowing. Keep swallowing.
I need water.
If you drink water, you lose. Like that? Okay, let me count. Count it now. Okay, hold on a minute. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. No. No. A whole minute. Ya no se pique por estaría. No. You drink water, you lose. You lose. No. 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 Hey. No.
Yeah.
No. You still got more. Hey, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose.
Junior,
You're gonna lose. You're almost done. You're almost done.
Let me drink it.
No, you're almost done. You're almost done. Almost. No, he's almost. You got about 25 more seconds.
That's too much chocolate.
No, you're gonna lose. You're gonna lose.
Leave him.
It's burning.
Oh, you lose. Almost.
Drink it.
Okay, go. Your mother is bad. Don't drink milk, it's gonna be hot.
Oh man, this is hot.
Get over there. Take the camera over there. Take the camera over there. Hey, we got it. Take the camera over there. Take the camera over there. Quick. Let us see your face, Junior. Let us see your face. Stop. Let's see. Stop. Yeah, if you stop real quick without drinking water, it's gonna go away. Watch. Stop. Stop. Hey, stop. Look at us. All right, stop. Look at the camera.
Oh my god, dude, hot!
I think you're exaggerating.
I don't know.
Let me see. Turn around. Stop real quick. Turn around. Are you drinking that water? Nasty.
Oh god. I don't care. Come fuck.
¿Eso querías, no? ¿Te lo tomas todo? Se va a enrabiar.
Le va a dar la rabia, mija. Ay, Dios mío, te digo. Ay. No se puede.
Hey, will you do it again? Are you done?
Hell no.
Okay, let me see your face one more time. Look at the camera.
¿Ya te pegó la rabia? Toma. Póntelo así. No te eches agua, con eso no se te va a quitar. Cómetelo. Cómete eso, con eso se te quita. Ay, mija, le va a dar la rabia, Yuri. Oja. Bueno, ¿eh? A ver si con los $50 con eso se te vas a aliviar, ¿eh? Oh, damn.
The weather was making it worse.